What is going on, my Crow fam? Tonight we are going to be doing a video on Cronos or Crypto.com or Crow Coin. Hopefully, you guys have been having a great day. And guys, it's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. It is super, super exciting for the weekend. Always love Fridays. Kind of get a break from the week, get a time to just hang out with family on the weekend. So today we're going to be talking about Crow. Guys, it is at 23.7 cent. We have $61 million in volume for the day. The total supply is 98.01 billion Crow, and the max supply is 100 billion Crow with 34.81 billion Crow in circulation right now. So it looks like we had a good peak. The whole market kind of had a great, a great little upward momentum from the announcement yesterday that we're getting a 25 basis point rate cut. So that is a very, very positive thing. And so now we are going to see what happens over the next couple days. So we have a huge piece of news. Crow, breaking news. Crow ETF approval incoming. The SEC greenlights generic crypto ETF listing opening door for Crow and many others. Confirmed by Chris in recent tweet. If you know, you know. So guys, from my understanding, they approved I think 11 different ETFs to have the go ahead to continue in the process of the ETF filing. I believe that happened today. I haven't read too much about it. I just kind of saw a post, but I think that's where this is coming from. All those ETFs have that clarity now, and that to go ahead and get that green light, so they will be able to do that. So we have more bullish things coming. You guys got to think. Yesterday, Jerome Powell made a statement saying that they want two more rate cuts this year. If they do another two 25 basis point rate cuts, and then they said another one or two rate cuts next year, that is going to most likely be over 1 whole% um, coming up. So I was watching a video and somebody said it really, really, and it just made a lot of sense. So we have had the price action go for what was to come yesterday. Now, what we're going to see is the price action getting baked in for those four rate cuts that are going to happen over the next 12 or so months. I think this is going to be absolutely amazing. I think that we are going to see a lot of bullish action in the markets. And guys, I'm excited, right? I am super, super excited on what is to come. It is going to be absolutely, it's going to be crazy. It's going to get crazy, and it is going to blow your mind. All right, so now I'm trying to go to crypto.com. Let me go ahead and pull this up real quick. So another really cool thing is crypto.com has their Visa program, right? So they have a lot of ways that you can earn money just by staking, by holding Crow. And so not only will you gain as the money is going up, you're going to gain from staking, from holding, and one of their programs is through their Visa program. So they had a debit, now they have I think they have a debit and a credit. And so here's what you're looking at. So there's different tiers. Right now I went ahead and signed up for the basic because all my Crow is locked up elsewhere for right now. And so that one's free. And so then you have the Ruby, that's $4.99 a month or $500 in staking. You have the Pro, which is $29.99 a month or $5,000 in staking. Then you have the private, right? You have the icy white or rose, and then you have the obsidian. So the icy white or rose is 50,000. There's no paying for that. And then the Obsidian is 500,000. So keep in mind, this is a 12-month staking program. So that's going to be locked in for 12 months. Right now, I think the price is going to go up. I don't know if I would necessarily lock my coins up for 12 months. I think I want to see what kind of happens in this next quarter coming up in about 2 weeks. I want to see if we're going to go up, um, and then kind of follow that same 4 year cycle. When we kind of go up in December, we have a little crash, and then we kind of um, take a little pause, and then January, or we kind of fall for a little bit, and then January we run again. So that is something I can see happening. So you also get spending rewards and a welcome bonus when you spend so much. On some of these, you'll get Netflix and Spotify. I know for the Icy White, Rose, and I think Rose Gold and I think that's what they call it, rose gold, and then the obsidian. I think you get this, and definitely the other ones. I think you get it for like 3 or 6 months, and then you get exclusive invites to sporting events, VIP experiences. So that's pretty cool, right? So you can level up if you already have one. If you don't, you can download the app and go ahead and sign up for that. So they have that, and then they also have. Let me see something. I'm trying to see. Do they have their earn program on here? Uh, they have derivatives. They have, oh, that's pretty cool. They have bots. You can, guys, they have got a lot of different things. They have crypto, stocks. You can predict. You can do sports. They have banking. They have checking accounts and I believe savings accounts. Then they have their signature card, credit card. I don't know if they do the debit card anymore. I think you might have to have one already, or I think the debit card is now with their banking accounts. I think that's how they work it now. So pretty cool stuff. So what about the markets? What do I see in the market? So guys, we have a 4.1 trillion dollar market uh, in all of the crypto, right? Altcoin season's here. Guys, I think it's either 75 or 76. Let me see. Should tell me. Altcoin season. Yeah, so altcoin, it was 77 yesterday. We went to 75. So I think what happened is we saw a lot of these coins kind of get a little spike. We saw a little bit more, not too much greed, and then we have um, sorry, I was just making sure it was recording. I was like, sometimes it's like hidden, so I was like, oh, let me see. Okay, cool. So then we have Bitcoin at 117.36. 363, Ethereum at 4610. We have XRP at $3.08. BNB, I heard, hit over $1,000 on some exchanges. That's impressive. Solana was over 250. Cardano, sweet. We have Crow coming in at 21. At price 23.75. So guys, I think this can easily go to $1, right? I think $8 billion market cap. So that would put it at a about a 33, 34, yeah, like a 33. If we 4x, that's like a 33 or 34 billion market cap. Let's see. So that would put it right in line with Tron, Cardano, right in line with these. So it could be in the top 10. Of course, these coins are going to move up, but that's what we're kind of seeing with that. So I think I was watching another YouTuber and they kind of said it really, really well. So let me go ahead and full screen this real quick. So right now we have two categories. We have the degens with their meme coins, and we have the government coins. Um, Crow falls into line with one of the government part of it, right? And you have coins like Pepe and these other different kind of coins like Mudang and UFD and Perpe that fall in line with the meme coin sector. Now, if you go in the path of the government coins, so it could, like, I'm talking about ETFs and financial institutions and different things of that nature, and what's it called, treasury funds. You're looking at coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, XRP, Crow. and they're adding more to the list, right? So if you go that path, that is more of a longer term, in my opinion. You're going to do that to at least, in my opinion, not financial advice, hold, 30 to 50% of that indefinitely, like, forever, pretty much, like 20, 10, 15, 20 years. And then the other half, in my opinion, you would probably wait for the spike and then sell it. I'm trying to gauge how we are going to play this just according to what the market actually does. And so in 2 weeks, guys, we're going to be in quarter four. That's crazy. This year has gone by so quick. It is absolutely insane on how fast we're moving. So, but I definitely do think Crow has at least a 4 to 6x potential. Some people are calling for $2.50, $2.70. That is, I think it is possible, right? It was possible. So that's what, like a 64 billion market cap. So guys, that would place it literally USDC or Solana. Like that would place it in ranking number 7 at this point. That's absolutely crazy. Can it happen? I think so, right? It's implemented in Trump's ETF or Treasury. It's implemented, it's a major, major coin, and so that has to do with an exchange. It has a lot of rewards. It helps degens like myself hold, right? You're like, oh, you get rewards just by sitting there doing nothing. Helps you kind of lock in your profits and not spend them so quick. So I'm holding at least until a dollar, with more than half and or all of it pretty much. And I'm gonna sell probably about half of my holdings, probably around that 90 cents to $1.10. So right around a dollar. That's kind of what I'm thinking now. Ask me again in maybe a month when everything's booming. I might be so FOMO-y. I'm like, let's hold forever. But anyway, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Till next time, Crow.